Hi folks, Richmond Whitewasher. So today we're going to be doing a unboxing on a box of Night Armigars from Warhammer 40k Games Workshop. Now these come in at £52.50 per box and you get 2 in a box. Usual box tells you what it is. I'm sure somewhere on there it will say this product is a toy or not a toy. Contents may vary from those shown. That's a bit alarming, but anyway, we'll open them up. So you get your instruction manual. And a sheet of decals, and then your 2 knights. So you've got 2 100mm bases and enough parts to make 2 Armigars. You can actually make any of the variants, so you can have the Helverins if you want as well, because you've got the melter cannons and the chainswords. These guys are the Armigars, so they've got the 2 autocannons. For this guy I'm going to be magnetising them up as well, so you can choose whatever weapon he wants. And you've got your 2 frames for your legs. Your lower part of the body, and you've got the body itself. It's a plastic kit, so there is a little bit of mould lines, but nothing too massive. There's the other one. Right, so you've got your weapons. There's 2 sets of shoulder pads. One of them's more imperialised. There's no cogs or anything like that. And then the other one is more mechanicum orientated. On the edge of your shoulder pad you got your cogs, and on your shin plate there's cogs or towers. Yeah, makes them look more mechanicum than Imperial. So there's 2 of them, and 2 of the Warglaive sprues. So that's what's in the box. So it gives you 2, and suggest magnetising them. At least that way you can pick between all of the variants, including the Helverins and stuff like that. And yeah, they should have, yep, they've got the Helverin instructions in there as well, so it's easy enough to do. Anyway, it's just a quick unboxing. Look forward to getting these ones done. They're going to be done in the colours of House Veroni, which would be quite cool because they're 40k equivalent. Yeah, like, subscribe, leave a comment, I will get back to you. Until the next video folks, take it easy, bye.